Hello, everyone, and ladies and gentlemen. I'm in the Voices account, but I'm still banned from Roblox. Oh no, I got framed. That's okay if I get framed. Someone finds you and go really hard and then glitches in. So, IK joined, and Alonetraveler joined. Because I saw it was the full game, and now I just joined quick. It's lagging the server. Sorry. If you subscribe, I won't share you with this. But if you unsubscribe, I wish you to be gone. Just kidding. Alright, not here. Alright. So, if someone unsubs to my channel, I'm going to sub you the gun. So, yeah. Oh, hi! Mr. Funfun. Andy. Am I going to sound Andy? Oh no, Andy's your alien Max friends. Here, I'll move that it says in it. Cause it's only gonna move like down here. Right there. So the taskbar will stay here forever. No, don't fall me off. He's a that's funny. Why shooting yoga? You censored them. Oh, I can go. Alright, I did it today, like in December Friday. I was waiting a second. Well, I was eating my alone food. Well, so if you eat too much, you can. It's dog food. It's so good. I want admin. Give me. I want admin. Give me admin now. I want admin. Give me admin now. I heard microwave here too. It really charges it. Try it out. Okay. Let's say okay in the chat. I'm a selfish woman, I'm a kid. That's why I feel that see myself. Go, hurry, bed. Go, hurry, bed. Yay, hurry, bed. Wow, he's nasty. Oh, Joey. Everyone's exploded it. Now the server's lagging. This computer's toast. Alright guys, give me a second. Because he said ready for fun. I don't know. Guys, you gotta see this. I don't know why. Well, I think I'm not in the box. I'll end the video for a minute. Bye.